of Earth origin. In August of 1995, I was contacted by an individual who claimed to have possession of what he stated was pieces of debris from the 1947 Roswell crash. After meeting with this individual, we began an extensive investigation into the history of the material and statements made by that source. Subsequently, after speaking with the individual at length, we learned that this material had been kept a secret for almost 50 years because of fear of ridicule and reprisal. It was not until after we received the preliminary metallurgical test results did we find the source to be credible and the material worthy of further research. After a year and a half of intensive research, scientists throughout the United States conducted a battery of laboratory tests which conclude that this material that you're now looking at appears to be a manufactured structure and is extraterrestrial in origin. Here to present the laboratory results and to explain the testing procedures is Dr. Russell Vernon Clark.
I personally conducted the first set of isotopic abundance tests. ICP-MS is useful for determining the composition and isotopic ratio for an extremely wide variety of elements. In the case of the material that Darrell gave me, I took this tenth of a milligram sample, dissolved it in nitric and hydrofluoric acids. Then this liquid was sprayed into an argon plasma. The plasma causes the atoms to ionize. The ionized atoms are accelerated into a mass spectrometer. The mass spectrometer separates the ions according to their mass, and then they're detected. You are, in effect, counting the numbers of the atomic nuclei that correspond to a specific isotope.
By measuring the isotopic ratios of the artifact's trace elements, nickel, silver, zinc, and germanium, as well as the main element silicon, Vernon Clark and other scientists working independently in similar test laboratories found striking variations never before encountered in naturally occurring Earth elements. So striking, in fact, that they could not even originate from another planet in our solar system.
Therefore, it should be considered that this material is both manufactured and extraterrestrial in origin. Okay, please keep in mind that despite the lengthy discussion and technical scientific descriptions, these are extremely precise laboratory results. In the cases of ICP-MS and SIMS, we are essentially looking inside the atom at the nuclei and weighing its contents.
What goes up must come down. No